The motives of stars after the creation universe. Expert astronomers are still the stars of the stars, and the stars recognize the Sake. But the Qur'an has given solid proof of the movements of the stars. About 9 verses have been revealed on the movement of the stars. Para number 13, Surah Abraham 33, translation. And he always made the sun and the moon to walk and make the wrestling for you in the night. Always walk and never sunset moon engage in your benefits. There are a circulating place on the fixed trick. Do not be screwed in them. On the night, they get up to the coming of them. The stars are subject to the same order. He is the Lord of the worlds. It is great to grow both of them. Everything is engaged in his work in the head. Another place is Irshad Bari. Para number 21. Surah Luqman 29 translation. Have you not seen that Allah hides the night from the day? He has made the sun and the moon subservient. Allah is aware of everything you do. It is Allah who makes the night a little longer, and the day a little longer, and the night a longer night. The sun and the moon are interpreted accordingly. They go where the designated place is. Such tricks will continue till the day of resurrection. Can't move from place to place. The Holy Prophet asked Abu Dhar Ghafari if he knew where the sun goes, and he replied that Allah and his messenger know best. He said, he goes and falls down in prostration under the throne of Allah and seeks permission from his Lord. He is about to be told one day to go where he came from. Ibn Abbas says that the sun rises on the floor of Sakiya. During the day it continues in its course, and at night it revolves under the ground. Even if the moon rises from its east. It is mentioned in many places in the Holy Qur'an. Para number 13 Surah Ra'd verse 2, Para number 17 Surah Anbiya verse 33, Para number 22 Surah Fatah verse 13, Para number 23 Surah Zumar verse 5, Para number 23 Surah Yasin verse 40, Para number 30, Surah Al-Takwir verse 15. 16. Para number 30. Surah Al-Shams verse 1, 2. Translation. The translation of all these Quranic verses is that the sun, moon and stars are all revolving in their own orbits. In Surah Takwir there is divine instruction 15. Of 16 who walk and hide. The Quran is a scholarly book. Not ideological, because ideology can be wrong. Knowledge can never be wrong, which presents the idea of a place like man. A person who is a Muslim cannot deny a single verse of the Holy Quran, because the denial of the Quran is kufr, but there is no mention of the movement of the earth in the Quran. Allah Almighty has mentioned the movement of the sun, moon and stars day and night. The speed of day and night on earth is 1,000 miles per hour. All the executions, including the earth, are present in the celestial space. Allah Almighty has explained the Quranic verses openly, whether one admits it or not. But some people object that when the Quran was being revealed, if Allah Almighty had stated that the earth is also moving in its orbit, then this statement was beyond the comprehension of the common people. Friendship. As this article is good, thank him and share it all.